Hello everyone! Today we have a cooking class. We are going to learn how to make a chicken salad. Repeat with me, chicken salad. What do we need to make a chicken salad?
I need carrot.
I need a carrot. I need lettuce. I need tomato. I need a cucumber. I need chicken. First things first, what do we do?
I wash my hands.
There are 3 steps. First, we slice. Cut the carrot in slices. Slices. Chop the tomato. We slice the cucumber. Slice the cucumber. We cut the lettuce. Take the chicken and we shred it into little pieces. See? With our fingers. Slice it. Shred it. Okay? Who's ready?
Me!
I'm ready! Let's go cooking! Okay, now that we have all the ingredients cut and sliced and shredded, we're going to make the salad. We have to mix all the ingredients in the bowl. And then, once they're mixed, we will add the mayonnaise. Mayonnaise.